Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you how I get from an arts festival in a Honda CR-V. Alright, so we're just getting started here. So all of this pile here, which is all artwork and prints and framed work and camping gear and supplies, along with all the equipment in the shed, all need to fit inside of the CR-V. So we use this cargo hitch mounted rack, and along with all the stuff in the house, there's all this equipment so along with everything in the house, there's also all this equipment here, which is print bins, step stool, dolly, the canopy is huge, all that. So the ideal scenario is to have a van, but the van is too big of an expense right now, so I'm just making do with the CR-V. So I'll show you when it's all in there how it works out. Alright, so this is the end result. So everything is in the car. The hitch mounted carrier is pretty key. As you can see, there's nothing left. As you can see, the vehicle is a challenge. It is packed to the gills, and that's just for one weekend. I'm not able to bring enough inventory to go away for weeks at a time, which would benefit me from a cost standpoint. And in the future, that problem will need to be resolved somehow. I've ran into quite a few problems, unforeseen, as with anything that you do that is completely new to you, and I will be sharing some of the bigger mistakes that I've made going out on the road so far. But to get from my home studio to this setup, that's what it takes right now. Thanks for tuning in and taking interest into my journey as an artist on the road. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and consider becoming a patron. Until next time, take care.